This video is sponsored by Sticker App, and that's actually kind of a funny story. I mean, I don't think anyone's actually legitimately upset by sponsorships in 2021, but nevertheless. You probably already know that I'm typically hesitant to accept sponsors, especially if it would alter my opinion of something or the way that I present it to you. My opinion isn't for sale. But in the case of Sticker App, I've already been using, by choice, favoring their product for 18 months of Biko's backpack, only stopping recently as we streamlined and simplified the offering. So when they reached out to support the channel, it was like, yeah, I will talk about the thing that I already use. It'd be like if Procreate wanted to sponsor a video. I already love it of my own accord. They also made a special set of new stickers of mine that we'll make in this video available for you with a discount code you can use at brookeseggleston.com/shop. We'll get to that later. It's Shopkeeper Month here on Character Design Forge. We spent the last 2 weeks designing a shopkeeper character, and now we'll focus on you as an artist being a shopkeeper, being a little business person with your smock and your easel and your brushes. All right, enough of that. Now, if you've ever wanted to sell your art, make little products, get something with your art made physically, I highly recommend stickers as the place to start, and there's a few reasons for this. When it comes to products or getting something made, a lot of them require a certain amount of planning. For example, hard enamel pins, while great, take a long lead time. They're expensive to produce, and they need to be made in high minimum quantities. Even then, you need to be making art specifically for the pins. Which parts are going to be raised? How many colors will you use? Which Pantone colors will you use? All kinds of things like that. Other products, like t-shirts, are either a similar logistical bundle. If you're ordering a batch of them, making sure what size you buy, making sure there's enough of a certain size. I guarantee of all the folks out there who have gotten batches of shirts made, the chances of them having like one extra small shirt left over that won't sell, or 2 double XLs that are warming a shelf, or if you get shirts made print on demand, the quality of print on demand products is pretty rough. A lot of these companies that are fulfilling orders on behalf of YouTubers in like that little bar underneath videos sometimes are print on demand companies. And that's why you haven't seen any Character Design Forge shirts from me so far. I declined to work with them on account of the quality. If I was going to do shirts, I'd do a big batch of screen printed shirts. And with any product, especially if you're a newer artist with a smaller following, selling products is a big commitment and ask of your audience, and generally only something like 1 or 2% of the people that follow you will ever buy anything. That makes investing a lot of money into a big run of expensive products a straight up financial risk if you can't be confident in recouping it. So enter stickers. Not only are they relatively inexpensive to produce compared to basically all other products, but you can use existing art that you already have, order them in small quantities, and use them or put them anywhere. You don't even need to be selling them to enjoy stickers of your own art. You can use them yourself or hand them out as gifts, maybe making a run of stickers based on an inside joke you have with your group of friends. Because a contour cut sticker is like a little cutout of your character, you can even use them as standees of characters for a tabletop or role-playing game. In short, stickers are really fun, and I probably don't need to convince you of that. So what are some good things to keep in mind if you want to make a good sticker? Well, like any product, you aren't just making something that you like, although that's probably a good contributing factor. You want to make something that someone else will enjoy or want or value. That means thinking about why someone would like this. Does it remind them of something that they love? Does it help affirm their identity? Does it contribute to their aesthetic, like a fashion statement? It can also just be a cute little character. And you know what? Yeah, that's what I do. I do those. That's what mine are gonna be. By the way, not all stickers are made equal. At Lightbox Expo in 2019, I was actually able to hand out some Jacqueline stickers to some of you folks if you came up to me. But I also remember being at a booth and another attendee just kind of handing his stickers, sort of forcing his stickers on other folks, whether they wanted them or not. And they were just kind of doodled line art that were printed on a home printer on label paper and then just cut into squares. So I'd say maybe don't do that. It does bring up just how important the material of your sticker ends up being, though. Not only are the majority of home printers not printing at a high quality, but a sticker would need to be covered by an additional protective film in order to last any kind of wear and tear or moisture. Otherwise, the first time that you wash your water bottle or pick up your phone while your hand is moist for some reason, the ink will bleed, just like it would on a piece of paper that you printed. These stickers are printed on vinyl, and then they have a laminate film over top of them, so they can go on a phone case or a water bottle, and they don't suffer. The Stormfeller's crew has been on my water bottle now for probably a year, and they're really doing good. I mean, we go on walks and hikes, and this gets thrown around the car, and I see no notable damages or scratching, which is pretty good. For the sticker set that I'm making, I took a few different characters of mine and simplified them down to a sort of chibi stylized version, and used a color scheme and rendering style that unites the three of them, despite them being from different stories. There's Jacqueline, there's Laven sort of spaced out floating in the cosmos, and Glangor doing a rather unique version of a two-armed push-up. I also included Frog, plural, because everyone loves Frog. If you create in or convert your art to CMYK, the printing color language, and export your art as a PNG from any art app, and just make sure you don't have a bunch of stray pixel artifacts in your document, uploading them to Sticker App, for instance, lets you automatically contour cut around your image and even adjust how thick you want that margin line around it to be. I thought I'd try out this holographic material for the Laven sticker. I think it looks pretty cool. Again, you don't have to use Sticker App or even a service to get stickers made, and I know how much this sounds like a commercial for Sticker App. They just wanted me to say Sticker App, the rest is just me filling in my experience with them. Some people like to go through the process of getting a vinyl cutter in tandem with their home printer and use registration marks to cut around printed sheets. There's nothing wrong with that, but the process can be a bit intensive and prone to trial and error. Plus, buying all of that equipment is the opposite of a low-risk entry point. Even for me now, for as much handling labor goes into making the products in Biko's backpack, I simply don't have time to custom produce all the stickers every month. It's much easier and cheaper once you account for the labor to simply order from someone else. If you're looking for a pain-free and low-commitment entry point, I definitely go with a service. And the whole point of this video is giving you a good place to start, which this definitely is. If you'd like a set of the stickers you saw in today's video, you can grab it over on brookeseggleston.com/shop and use the code ThinkStickerApp to get 20% off the set. Once we get back to conventions again, grabbing stickers from different artists is one of my favorite things to do because it's like an encapsulation of their talent in one small form. Whether you want to sell art products of your own or you're just having fun, again, I'd say stickers is a great place to start. Backlighting was off for the whole video. This is so sad. Next week, on the finale of Shopkeeper Month, we're going into the pro tips on being a shopkeeper as an artist, and we're answering your questions, so please leave them down below in the comments. This is the thing that people do, get them into comments! Head to patreon.com/BagelDenizen to get Biko's backpack, which is basically a foil trading card and hard enamel pin of the month club. It's new original art in your mailbox every month, and there's still a chance to get July's, which has Jamborellas as the trading card, and Clem from Clem's Confectionery as the pin. You can get my course Learn Character Design at learncharacterdesign.com. It's over 18 hours of video learning, and you can follow me at BagelDenizen on Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun creating.